Picture this. You buy a pair of shoes online, but when they arrive, they're half a size too small. You take them to the brand's physical store to swap them out, only for the cashier to tell you, "Sorry, our online and offline systems are totally separate. We can't process your return here." That gap between the digital and physical worlds is a breakdown in the marketing channel, the network of people and organizations responsible for moving a product from production to consumption. There are two ways this journey typically happens. On the top path, you have a direct channel, moving straight from the factory to the consumer. Below it is an indirect channel, where the product passes through wholesalers and retailers before it reaches a shelf. As a business grows, it often adds more paths to reach more people. But when these channels aren't coordinated, the network tangles into knots. This creates horizontal and vertical conflicts, where distributors and retailers end up competing against each other rather than serving the buyer. This lack of coordination leads to fragmented data and inconsistent messaging. The brand looks like a different company, depending on whether you're looking at their website or standing in their store. When these channels remain disconnected, the friction creates operational costs and missed sales that a single storefront can no longer absorb. To solve this, companies shift toward an integrated marketing channel, or omnichannel. In this model, online and offline platforms stop operating as rivals and start sharing a single stream of data. Phase 1, developing the channel, requires a deep analysis of target market behaviors and internal logistics. This research dictates how the product actually travels from the factory floor to the final touchpoint. A key part of this design is determining distribution intensity, a strategic choice regarding how widely available a product should be. This map shows the difference. Intensive distribution aims for maximum coverage, but for products like electronics, companies scale back to selective distribution. Then there is exclusive distribution. For luxury cars, a brand limits sales to a single regional dealer, controlling service and value. Selecting the right intensity ensures that the physical availability of the product matches the brand's intended position in the market. Mapping the channel is only the beginning. Phase 2 focuses on managing the independent third parties, like wholesalers and agents, who act as intermediaries. This involves a continuous cycle, selecting the right partners, providing financial incentives, and evaluating their performance through sales volume and customer feedback. To prevent different parts of the channel from working at cross purposes, companies use a vertical marketing system, or VMS, as a formal coordinating framework. This system aligns goals through three main methods: direct ownership in a corporate VMS, formal contracts like franchises, or using administrative influence to coordinate members. Moving into Phase 3, implementation, requires a transition from manual coordination to a heavy technological infrastructure that can handle real-time data. For logistics, companies use an ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning System. This serves as the central hub for production and inventory, ensuring that stock levels are visible across every warehouse and storefront simultaneously. To manage the human side, a CRM, or Customer Relationship Management System, tracks buyer behavior. This allows the brand to offer the same loyalty rewards and personalized service whether the customer is online or in person. While VMS policies provide the organizational rules, the ERP and CRM synchronize the actual data. This ensures that a stock update in the warehouse is instantly visible to a customer on their smartphone. We can see the impact of this integration in the fashion industry. Brands that once struggled with disconnected stock have moved toward unified commerce, where every sales channel draws from the same inventory pool. The results of this shift are measurable. By allowing customers to buy online and pick up in a store, fashion retailers have seen customer satisfaction rise by 25%, while overall sales increased by 18%. The next evolution of the marketing channel will involve AI-driven inventory predictions and voice commerce, where a customer can restock a product simply by speaking to a smart device in their home. Ultimately, a product is only as good as the network that delivers it. If the distribution system fails to meet the customer where they are, the product itself becomes irrelevant. The process of integrating these channels suggests a clear takeaway. Companies that remove the friction of buying are the ones that retain customers in a crowded market.